GoPro's at 42%, so I should be fine to go home and like record the whole thing. I was trying to don't know what the fuck happened there. I was trying to set up both cameras, have the one on the windscreen as well, but I seem to have misplaced my other micro SD chip, so I can't record video footage without that. So as you can tell, I'm only using one camera right now. Spent a little bit looking for it, but then I got sidetracked and then I forgot. So I'll look for it more when I get home. But I would like to do that one more time before the riding season ends, if it does at this rate. And now I'm blind. That is bright. That car meet back there again tomorrow, I'm assuming, because they always have it on Thursdays and it's supposed to be super nice out. Well, actually, I was gonna say I'm not gonna go because it's always been disappointing, but it is Halloween and it is supposed to be super nice out, like I just said, so maybe, just maybe, there'd actually be some cool stuff this time. Ideally. I don't know. I'll think about it. I'll have to look it up when I get home and see if there's any like special car meets tomorrow, and then I'll possibly go to one. Make a video out of it. Don't know yet though. I want to encounter like a patched rider, but as far as I know, they're not really in this area, like in my state, which is disappointing because I really want to like encounter one of them, just to laugh in their face and be like, bro, it's a cute little Boy Scout patch, like you don't own the road. Because those guys that like when you try to pass them, they like cut you off and block you, and then they get all pissed off and like they try to get physical just because you're trying to pass them. They get all violent. Like, what is your problem? You don't own anything. Let people pass you. I don't care what you're wearing. You don't stop other people from riding. Like, put your ego away and let people have fun. But unfortunately, I don't think there's any in my area. And it's always funny because they're huge keyboard warriors too. And like the people that defend them in the comments are like, oh, well, just, you better not say that to their face or see what'll happen. Like, what's gonna happen? Are they gonna kiss me? Are they gonna give me a big, tight, manly hug? And a little smooch on the forehead? Like, it's a guy that cares about a patch to the point he won't let people pass him. A made-up patch, too. I'm not really worried about saying something to his face. If he's that insecure and that fragile that no one's allowed to pass him, I think I'll be okay. Other people enjoy their bike and the road. You don't own it, so who cares? If somebody passes you, no big deal. Just let it happen. Leave your ego at the door when you get on a bike and enjoy the ride. That's it. It's that easy. I really want to slap one of these yellow thingies. They're just right there. I want to do it. Oh, look how many. It's not going to hurt, right? I don't know. I don't want to find out. Because Travis did it once and looked like he broke his wrist for a second. But like, that was also one of the construction ones, not these. So I don't know. It's very tempting. Oh, Oh, there's a whole... Oh, there's so many of them up there. C8, interesting color. I saw someone sent me a reel, a guy driving a C8. It looked pretty stock. Like, I think it was completely stock. He was driving it, and he was behind a GTR, and he said, he was like, GTR about to get gapped, and then, as you would expect, just got completely gapped by the GTR, and hopefully humbled, because if you think your stock C8 has a chance against a GTR, it's not gonna happen, especially because the GTR was modified. Like, I just thought that was funny. Why is this guy 30 feet back from the white line? Also, he has been looking down like that pretty much the entire time. And he's also driving very inconsistently. I guess I am going to make it home in time before it gets too dark. Nice. Should probably go eat. I guess it's been 7 hours. Whoops. Thank you to that car for staying pretty far back at the stop. Appreciate it. I could see, I'm taking this turn right here, so I could just kind of ride the shoulder and go around everybody, because I'm not cutting in front of anyone, but I will wait my turn, even though I didn't really have to. Oh, see, they weren't using turn signal, so I didn't know they were going to go that way too. Not all of us bikers like to do illegal stuff all the time, so keep that in mind before you leave comments on YouTube. Maybe actually know what you're talking about first, or who you're talking to. Cybertruck! Should I follow it? But I don't know where that goes. I have no idea where that road leads to. And also, I'd have to catch up to it, which, the longer this light is, the slimmer my chances are. If I knew where that road went, I would 100% chase it for content, but I don't know where that goes. I've never been down that way. Unfortunate. I just got a video of another one like 3 nights ago. I was on my way home from work and I passed one. So I mean, I got a little bit more footage of one, but it would have been cool to get some video of one on a bike. It's gonna be all for this one though. I actually had fun. I'm glad I took that back road. It was enjoyable. Hope you guys had fun as well. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you have a good rest of your whatever time of day it is for you / night. And hope you have a good week. See you in the next one.